Interesting product today, folks. So this ZOSI C298 outdoor security camera is something I've never seen before. It's like two cameras rolled into one. So this camera, as you can see from the picture, at the bottom we have a PTZ camera and at the top we have a bullet camera. Both cameras are 4 megapixel. So we have some information on this side. So of course, as I mentioned before, dual lens, pan tilt, intelligent tracking, bullet camera and PT cam combo, AI human and vehicle detection, alarm detection, light and siren, remote viewing. So I have reviewed other cameras from ZOSI and I'm quite happy with them. If you want to watch them, I will leave a link in the description box below and in the iCard. If you want to pick this up or know more about it, I will leave a link in the description box below. So if you find the video useful, please leave a like and do subscribe to watch more reviews. So we get a little pin and a little screw, ZOSI security system, mounting template, quick start guide, and we get this key here, that's to adjust the bullet camera, pin hardware. This is to protect the Ethernet cable. When you plug the Ethernet cable into the camera, this will stop water from getting into the camera. Power supply, barrel type, mine is 3-pin because I'm in the UK. Now this is good, I have never seen this in any camera I have unboxed. They have included an extension lead because the power supply doesn't be that long. Sometimes you'll be lucky if you get 3 meters. So by including this in, it's excellent. You do not need to buy an extra one. Well, if you need to put the camera somewhere really far, if you're mounting it somewhere really far, then you will need to get another, because I have one and I think that's about 15 meters. But this camera comes with one included. That is quite impressive. This is a solid piece of hardware, this. So that's the mounting bracket. That's what it looks like from the bottom. We have the power port there, and then the other side we have the Ethernet port here. It's got a little waterproof jacket on there. However, you do not need to use that. This camera does also run on Wi-Fi and it runs on the 2.4 gigahertz. It's a warning light here at the bottom. This is the cable coming out. This bracket will fit on here, just slides on there. Speaker at the back. Up here it says micro SD. If I open this, we've got the micro SD card slot there. It supports up to 128 GB reset hole there. 2 antenna for better reception. They lift up like so. That's the top bullet camera. That has a 2.8mm lens. The infrared lights, and these are color lights. On this side here, that's where you will need this key to adjust the lens there. You can adjust it up, you can adjust it down. That's quite cool, that. Some branding there. So the dome camera has the microphone, it has some more infrared lights and some more color lights. This has an 8mm lens, pans 360 degrees. It also has an 8-time hybrid zoom effect. Let's link this up with the app. I already have the ZOSI app.
Waiting to connect.
Add. So I need to scan the QR code which is at the side of the base. I've done that. Okay, allow while using that. Okay, I just need to put the password in for my Wi-Fi. I'll do that off camera. Connecting.
Wireless configuration succeed. Wireless connecting. Please wait. Wireless connection succeed.
Okay, so okay, I'll confirm. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever seen a camera like this. I haven't. It's my first time seeing a camera like this. I'm quite impressed by that. we are up and running. One thing to mention, I know I always mention this, but I think it's important that people know this. The quality you lot are going to see will be slightly reduced because YouTube compressed the file. At the side here, this little screw included will fit on there so that the base is securely attached to the main camera. And this pin here is for reset if you need to reset the camera. I have human tracking on. The bottom camera is moving, it's trying to keep up with me and it's doing a good job. So at the bottom here we have speaker, picture, video, and we have alarm and lights. Next to that, that's the directional pad. I have human tracking on at the moment, so that's what is giving me this message. So I'm able to control the low lens myself. Clicking on the gear cog, change password, share device, message settings. I have a push notification off at the moment. I will be enabling it once I've finished recording. Smart alert. You can enable light and siren alert as well. So meaning when you pick some motion up, the lights and the alarm will go off as well. Alarm type. So I have motion detection. You can have smart alert or mobile and smart alarm. So by default it was on motion detection, so I have left it on that. Dual lens. I have the bottom one enabled. The top one, if I turn that on, I'll show you what that will do. See that little green target it has enabled? If I move that around, the low lens will move as well. You can see. It just saves you from using the directional pad. Okay, then we have intelligent algorithm. I'm using motion detection and human detection at the moment. You can enable the other ones as well. Mask settings. So if you have your camera pointed towards your neighbor's garden or somewhere that you don't want to record, you just run your finger on the screen and it will draw a black box. So anything on that part now will not get recorded. Night vision mode. It's black and white at the moment by default. You've got smart night vision, or you can also select color night vision. I will show you footage of color night vision and the black and white one where it uses infrared. Do let us know in the comment section below what you think of the video quality. Time settings, network, rotate, recording mode. So I have it on full time recording, HD mode or smooth mode. By default it comes on smooth mode. I've selected HD mode. Indicator light, I've turned that off. By default that's on. It's really annoying, it blinks, it's red and blue. Outdoor mode, cloud, I don't have cloud storage. If I click on cloud, they do two different plans. So you get 1 month free, and then of course you need to pay a subscription, or you could do cloud storage and AI, and it lets you know the difference. You could try them out if you want. I've just left an SD card in mine. I like ZOSI apps, they're nice and simple. So just looking at the image here, you could see the lens at the top has a larger view than the lower one. Also, to me, the low lens image quality isn't as good. Anyway, have a look at some footage and let us know what you think in the comment section below. There you go, friends. That was the ZOSI dual lens outdoor security camera. The first thing you notice about this camera when you unbox it, the quality on it is really good. It's well made. Auto tracking works really well. I really like the ZOSI app. It's nice and simple to use. So if you haven't used an app before, you wouldn't get lost in this, because some apps, they have submenus and they're really difficult to use. With this one, it's straightforward, it's simple. Everything is where it's supposed to be. I really like the color night vision feature. It does really light the area up, as you've seen in the video. All in all, I think this is a solid piece of kit, as ZOSI products are. There's only one thing that I'm not really too happy with. That's the PTZ lens. It's zoomed in too much. However, in this instance, it doesn't really matter, because the bullet camera lens, it is wide enough. But because it's zoomed in, I think that's what's affecting the quality. I mean, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And do remember that YouTube have compressed the file, so the quality you lot are seeing will be reduced to what I'm seeing. To me, the PTZ camera lens quality isn't as good as the bullet camera. Again, in this instance, it doesn't matter, because the bullet camera lens is really good. It's got good image quality, in my opinion anyway. So I think it's a decent piece of kit. If you want to pick it up, I will link it in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.